Hello, I'm Liz Lumley of Finextra, and today I'm speaking to Malene McMahon of Swift. Sibos is in Boston this year, and at this year's event there'll be a stream looking at the investment management community. So why this year? What was the impetus for this group?
So the securities business at Swift has been growing over the years, and it's been growing exponentially. So it's reached a point now where it's more than our payments business, if you measure it by volume. So we're focusing more and more on that sector of the business, and investment managers start the whole chain of events in the securities industry. So they're really, one might even say, the most critical players. And because Sibos is in Boston this year, Boston is filled with investment managers. So we've been thinking about introducing the stream concept, and we've introduced it for other sectors, and we thought this would really be the perfect year to introduce it for investment managers.
So what are some of the challenges that are facing the investment management community? I mean, how will these be addressed by the Sibos agenda?
So the challenges for investment managers, similar to the challenges for custodians and broker-dealers, have a lot to do with regulation. So there'll be a lot on the agenda about regulation. We have a session called the Regulatory Avalanche, and how will investment managers be handling that, supported by their custodians and service providers. We have the big issue debate that day is on regulation, so we'll be telling the investment managers that they need to definitely attend the big issue debate that day. Outsourcing is another big topic for investment managers. Many of them outsource the operational functions to service providers. Some of them do it themselves. Why one versus the other? So there'll be a whole session on that. And then there'll be a session on innovation and what can investment managers really do from an innovation point of view. What are some of the new things that are happening? Is the innovation trend really making its way into the investment manager community?
You can't seem to have any talk without mentioning innovation these days.
Innovation is a big topic across all of our sectors. But because we're in Boston, which is known also as an innovation center, we thought it would be good to apply it to the investment managers.
So I'm going to move on to standards, and the Standards Forum has been around for a while at Sibos. So what is Swift really doing to further engage the delegates this year?
The Standards Forum is one of my favorite things at Sibos because I'm really a standards person. And the Standards Forum has been around for more than 10 years, and this year we're celebrating the 10-year anniversary of ISO 20022.
Everyone's favorite ISO.
Everyone's favorite new standard, but it has been around for 10 years. So we're going to dive deeper into the implementation of ISO 20022 in all of the sectors that are now adopting it. The biggest adoption community being the market infrastructure community, and we have lots of those market infrastructures here in North America, in Canada, in the US, and we'll be diving into really the details about how they're implementing ISO 20022.
That's excellent. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.